Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And I want to talk to you about something I'm seeing increasingly in my comment section. And that is people saying, I give up. There are no deals out there. That's just the wrong mindset, in my opinion. I'm going to give you some just adult conversation about how I feel about that mindset. I'm going to give you some facts about my business. And we're going to talk about getting around a community of folks that can help you. First and foremost, this is what I've been warning about for the last 6 or 9 months. If you've been on my channel for any length of time, you know that I've been calling for a housing slowdown. Upwards of 30 to 50% crash in transactions, rising cost of capital, unaffordability, just a lot of bad things. And again, negativity, as I've said many times, is going to pull you away from opportunities. It is amazing that this happens every time. It's amazing. It's amazing to me that the last 2 years, you could have thought it was easy to make money in real estate and been operating in an environment where it was hard to do deals. It was hard. It was nearly impossible. But when it was impossible and everything was going up, you thought it was a good time. And now that it's getting hard, cost of capital is up, inventory's down, you want to give up, which is just mind-boggling to me. So if you've been on my channel for any length of time, you know I finally put a deal in contract and I will close on Halloween, on Monday. Here's the raw numbers. I looked at my market every day for 13 months. That's almost 400 days without getting a deal. I must have written over 100 offers. I probably had over 2, maybe even 300 conversations. Because again, the last year or so, it's been tough. It's been hard. Prices were crazy. Competition was crazy. Cash offers were crazy. It was tough. Well, guess what? It's not tough anymore. We found a property. And if you go to my playlist called Property Walkthroughs, it's the last video. That's the property we just locked up and we will close on Monday. We locked it up for roughly 25% off list price. That's crazy. That doesn't happen last year. And we've done the numbers, and I look forward to making 32% cash on cash return in 6 months on this property. I've given the numbers in past videos. Something else I want you to realize is I have not gotten a deal in over 3 years on the MLS. For over 1,000 days, I have not been able to find a deal on the MLS. But yet, I look every day. Every day, I look. This deal that we just got for 203 on a 270 list price was on the MLS. It was available to everybody in my market. It was there. Folks, I don't say this to brag. I say this to show you that doing the work matters. I want to remind you that I've said this many times and will say it many more times. The best deals I have gotten often occur between Thanksgiving and New Year's. To give up now after doing the work for 3, 4, 5, 6 months is insulting. This is the best time. What have you been pounding the table for? Michael, I wish there was less competition. Michael, I wish it was easier to find motivated sellers. Well, they're here. It's time to do the work. I am vibrating with excitement because this deal that we just got will be the first of many, because most folks will watch the crash channels, watch the negativity, and run away. So there's a couple of things that if you're watching this, I want you to know. First, doing the work matters. Buy the hat, buy the stickers, buy the shirts, whatever it is, do the work. Every day, do the work. Second, get your buy box, get focused. Most of you are not focused. You're all over the place. Get focused. And third, If you are lucky enough to have $320 and you bought my course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, join the Facebook group. It's free. It's there for you. Get around thousands of people that are doing the work. Watch the posts. If you are one of my students, do me a favor. Go to the Facebook group today. Put a post in there about the work you're doing. Let's celebrate. Let's get the engine going. One of the things that I know is true is you have to be around people that are doing the work. A lot of folks, rule number 7 of One Rental at a Time is monitor your network. Most of your networks suck. They're negative, they're fear. And this is what I told you was coming. I give you the course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, because it is the key to beating fear. Buy box this big. Look at it every day. Get around a network, grow, understand average, write great deals. Again, I want to remind you, for 3 years, I looked at my market every day, no deals. The deals I did get done were because of my network and wholesalers and mailers. For 13 months, I did not get a deal done because the market was stupid. We just got a deal done and we'll close on October 31st. I don't know what else to tell you, folks. This is the time. Do not gamble. If you do not know what average is, do not write an offer. I do not want any of you to gamble. Also, I don't want any of you doing good deals. For the next 18 months or until otherwise noted, we are only doing great deals. Great deals are out there. Motivated sellers are out there. It's time. It's time. Keep doing the work. This is not the time to give up. If you are in my course and you are part of the Facebook group and you feel like giving up, put a note in the group. I'm sure you will get replies from others saying, keep at it, keep at it. If you are in my group and you just got a deal like Roldan and his wife, post it. Let other people see you are winning. People need to know it's possible. This is the time to do the work. I am vibrating with excitement because I do the work every day and I know what is coming. Most of you haven't been here before, but trust me, motivated sellers are awesome. And you can get great deals. You can get seller financing. You can work out how to do this. So folks, it annoys me that as the market gets good, most of you run away. If you've ever thought about doing real estate investing and you need a little kick in the pants, spend $320, buy the course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. Do step 1 and step 2, buy box, understand the math, and then join the Facebook group. You have to get around people that will hold you accountable, that will help you move forward, that will give you encouragement, answer questions. It's an amazing group. I can't believe it's free. I created it as a spot for FAQs, frequently asked questions, and it's just morphed into the happiest place on the internet. So again, this is not the time to stop. This is the time to double down. Look every day. I don't know what to tell you. 13 months, I haven't gotten a deal. I just got one. We'll close Monday. 3 years, nothing on the MLS. I just got one, 25% off list price. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Keep doing the work. Don't quit. It is possible. Take care. Bye-bye.